Hello everyone, I'm Loïc Duval, Audi Sport DTM driver, and here is the new RS5 Coupe. The first impression was magic in a way. The color is so unique, Sonoma green metallic. It's something really different. The car is mega smooth. I mean, it's really easy to drive. It's like a car that you enjoy it every single day. It's really comfortable. An elegant note again, you know, that you can see the stripes, green ones, like the color of the car, which is super nice. But as soon as you go a little bit on throttle, it's time for some dynamic performance, right? Woo! So easy to control it, even though with 450 horsepower, so much fun. And now let me show you some exterior details of the car. So first of all, let me tell you that the entire design of this new Audi RS5 Coupe is based on the Audi 90 Quattro IMSA GTO. First of all, the inlets at the top and the bottom that you can find also at the rear. Here, the 15mm wider arch. Last but not the least, you have the single frame grille, which is wider and flatter than the Audi A5. And optional, you can have carbon bodywork, carbon rooftop, and of course, the ceramic brakes. Now time to have fun. From 0 to hero, only 3.9 seconds. Wow, so agile. There is that little G-meter sensor, which is super cool because you know exactly when you go on power, how much G-force do you get. When you go on the brake, you know, you turn left and right. And compared to its predecessor, the new RS5 Coupe is 60 kilos lighter. 2.9 TFSI V6 engine, it's a lot of power. The RS5 Coupe has 8-speed Tiptronic with optimized shift time. You guys are going to love it.